So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can convert images to PDF free of cost. What you have to do is first go to App Store. Now here you have to search for my PDF editor. Now there you see this. Click on this, install this. It's free of cost. Click on open. Now there you see this. Click on this, create PDF from gallery. Choose photos. Now here you have to select the photos that you want to convert to PDF. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, all done. Click on convert. Now it's done. Now go to files, and there you see this, our images are converted to PDF. It's there in horizontal, but you can convert them to vertical, the images. You can share your PDF. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.